In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on offline finding on Samsung phone. With the Samsung phone offline finding, this will allow other Samsung phones or Samsung devices or Samsung Galaxy devices to be able to detect your Samsung phone when it's placed, even when it is not connected to the network and it is switched off. Now, to turn on this feature on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, scroll down, and click on Security and Privacy. Now, tap Lost Device Protection. Here you should see offline finding, tap that, and then you see this will allow your phone to be found by other people's Galaxy, that's other people using Samsung Galaxy devices, even when it is not connected to a network. It will also allow your phone to be used to scan for lost devices that may be nearby. You can also find wearable devices such as watch, earbud, smart tag, or other if offline finding is on for your device and it was the last device they connected to. Now, to make your Samsung phone discoverable when it is turned off or it's out of network coverage, all you need to do is turn on offline finding. Once you hit the turn on button, then you should see a that says turn on location. To use offline finding, you need to turn on location, then tap turn on. Once turn on, that you should see another pop-up that says turn on offline finding. Offline finding uses battery and mobile data in the background, then tap turn on to make sure offline finding is turned on your Samsung phone. There you go. Then after a couple of seconds, the offline finding will be turned on, and here you see you can also encrypt offline location for added security. Ensure the offline location of your device when it is sent to SmartThing Find by device that belong to other Galaxy users to see the location you need to enter a PIN. So in case other Samsung users is trying to steal or take over your Samsung phone, make sure you turn on encrypt offline location. With offline location sent, Samsung will prompt you to set up a 6-digit PIN so that you'll be able to unlock your Samsung location when you use another Samsung device to find it. Go ahead and type in the PIN and click on OK button. Then you want to repeat the PIN again, hit the OK button. Once you hit the OK button, you should see encrypt offline location and here's the reset PIN. Then you can easily reset your PIN if you forgot. So this is how to turn on offline finding on Samsung Galaxy devices. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.